Here we explain how account types and groups work in Sway. In your administration guide, you will see how your company administrator can set up any number of different contact or company groups. Typical ways to group contacts could be by industry, geographical area, product usage, size, or any number of different ways. Any single contact can be entered into any number of groups at the same time. This helps data sorting enormously. In addition to groups, each contact or company entry into your database can be sorted by the relationship they have with your company right now. Typical account type relationships you may wish to use are suspect, prospect, client, customer, partner, reseller, employee, supplier. Being able to see a filtered list of contacts or companies that is pre-sorted by any or all of these items will save you hours as you manage your business.